of the Carnal Cooking Show. Today we have Cooking with Love. Today we will be dipping pretzels and Oreos into chocolate.
Cardinals, who likes chocolate? Did you know you can dip many things into chocolate? Today we have picked out pretzels and Oreos.
Hey Cardinals, my name is Kinsley.
And my name is Akari. Today you will need chocolate and sprinkles for both the Oreos and the pretzels.
First, you will grab your pretzel and Oreo. You will begin to twirl it into the chocolate. Make sure to get all over.
Akari, do you think it's gonna be delicious?
Yes.
It looks very good.
Which one are you gonna eat? The pretzels or the Oreos?
I'm gonna eat the pretzels. What are you gonna eat?
The Oreos.
Sounds delicious.
Delicious.
Make sure, guys, it might be tricky at times, but just keep on going. After you finish dipping your pretzel and Oreo, place it on the platter.
And if you would like to, you can add sprinkles.
There's never too many sprinkles. We hoped you enjoyed our cooking show. Maybe you'll be able to try this delicious snack at home. Until then, signing off, Happy Valentine's Day!